Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in Guangzhou. I just took the high-speed train from Hong Kong to Guangzhou, about an hour, to come here for a forum, a conference. So I'm going to show you my experience on the business class on the high-speed rail, which is awesome. But I'm now at the Westin Hotel in Pazhou, which is the Canton Fair venue. Okay, so this is a very popular hotel whenever there is trade fairs, and today the hotel is definitely sold out. Okay, so I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. I'm only here for one night for business, not attending the typical Canton Fair, but a fair happening in the same venue. And this is a very, very convenient location. So let me show you the room first. And then later on, I will show you their access, the hotel access to the fair venue. So on my left, this is a deluxe room. And I prefer high floor, so I'm on the 31st floor. So on my left is a bit of a walk-in closet, open closet area with the luggage rack, and then an umbrella, as well as the bathrobes, one over here and then one over here. So there is also iron board in case I need to iron my clothes for tomorrow. And then here is the toilet, and then they have the bathtub. Okay, so they do have a good sized bathtub here. And then here they got a single sink, and then they got the hair dryer, as well as 2 bottles of water. Okay, and then they got a stand-up rain shower over here. So of course, for sustainability, this is the typical Western shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. So you can see, actually, there is the door that you can close this area out. Okay, so in case the room is being shared with colleagues and friends, assuming you got 2 beds and such, you can close it out for some privacy when someone is in the bathroom. Okay, so moving right along, this is what they have for the water kettle, and an additional 2 bottles of water. And then they have a fridge here. So they have a mini bar, a fully stocked mini bar, of course, to pay for, and the price is here. Okay, they got the proper coffee mug, tea cups, some snacks if you want to, and then some proper glassware as well. Okay, and then the safe deposit box is here. I haven't turned on the TV yet, so I will do it in a moment. And then this is more a business hotel, so for sure, they got a nice work desk with the ergonomical chairs, with proper, power plugs, adapters, and everything to use, and a spacious table for work. And then here is a little relaxing area, a little lazy chair, silver type. And then I'm on the 31st floor, and they gave me a room with the lake view. Okay, so down there is all the fair venue. I have yet to figure out all the ins and outs. Normally before I stay at Shangri-La, which is over there, which is a little bit further out, and this time I'm happy that I stay at the Westin is right here. So anyway, as a Bon Voy Platinum Elite member, I got access to the club lounge. They say the evening cocktail time is 5:30 to 7:30, which I think I'll be done, or at least I will return for a quick look at what it is like. And for breakfast, the lady was jokingly telling me the club lounge breakfast is not too comprehensive, so I should opt for the breakfast in the dining room, and which I did. So I will show you the breakfast in the breakfast room tomorrow morning. So now I'm getting ready for work, and I will show you as much as I can.好，谢谢。